Piny owacho loso yore mag chulo jotije machon mag reru pesgi mag aeri tok yudo omenda kowuok e lop Nairobi Railways Club. Omendago biro konyo riwruoge jotijego eko e chulo jotijegi mane odhi e rutaya.
So from the onset, Kenya Railway Staff Retirement Benefit Scheme has operated on a non-contributory basis. No monetary contributions are made to the scheme by members or sponsors. The main cash flow items of the scheme are: 1, investing activities, investment income primarily from rental income and proceeds on disposal of property assets. The Affordable Housing Board has expressed formal interest in acquiring approximately 141 acres of land in the Makongeni area, which is currently owned by the scheme. The intended use of this land is for the development of residential housing units. This transaction presents a strategic opportunity for Kenya Railway Staff Retirement Benefit Scheme to unlock significant value from one of its largest and most strategically located land assets. Once the sale is finalized, substantial funds will be generated, improving the scheme's liquidity position. And 2, the proceeds will enable timely and consistent payment of benefits to retired members. 3, the initiative will also contribute to the long-term sustainability of the scheme by reducing performing real estate and increasing the proportion of liquid assets in its.
Jatend piny William